This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Jacqueline Hammond. Paradise found and maintenance-free. This totally updated waterfront condo, magnificently located in a private, gated community, at the mouth of Cotee River is looking for a new buyer. Gobsmacking views of the river and the Gulf of Mexico draw you to the waterfront. Watch the mullet jumping about and enjoy the local flora and fauna, right from the comfort of your living room. This unit has completely rehabbed in the last year with brand new LVP flooring, new ceilings, new granite countertops, new backsplash, all new stainless steel appliances, brand new master bathtub and shower, new interior paint, new small mesh screening in the lanai, brand new 3-ton air conditioner. Boasting split-plan bedrooms, the master is generous with breathtaking views, ensuite bathroom, walk-in closet and sliding door access to the lanai. The second bedroom is at the front of the unit. It is ample in size with guest bath across the hall. The lanai is enclosed with sliding doors and a private spiral staircase leading down to the pool, the beach and the boardwalk. Air conditioner, 2022, hot water heater, 2009. There is one reserved parking space located under the building, number 12, and one reserved storage locker, number 12. The community offers a 24-hour gate guard, community boat ramp, waterfront boardwalk, fishing pier, heated pool, private beach, reserved only for residents in Phase 3, tennis, pickleball, and clubhouse where you will find the fitness room, game tables, library and card room. The community posts a vibrant social scene with card clubs, fitness classes and seasonal events. Located closely to the historic city of Newport Richey, restaurants, shopping and medical facilities. It is a short drive to Tarpon Springs and the beaches of Clearwater and St Petersburg and under an hour to the international airports. Pebble does not allow pets. Condo is being sold as is for seller convenience, completely provisioned for ease. For more information, review the details below or contact Jacqueline Hammond at 813-512-2100.